Hey, I'm live at Riverfest down here in Lockhaven. It's 15 minutes before the fireworks go off, so I'm just gonna tell you this, that it was a nice day, a rainy day, and a thunderstorm of a day. But it's a real nice night tonight. Here you can see the lights at the river. You can see it glaring on the river down below. You can see the lights on the mountaintop, and you also see the cars going by from the Riverfest. Very busy on this side at this time. Coming over here, probably leaving, and also down there listening to that music. I'm not into listening to bands. Never was. So that's why I'm as far away as I can be, up here by the Veteran Bridge and the historic courthouse of Lockhaven on the other side. we are here looking at the sky, looking at the river, and looking at the blurry. Oh, there it goes. The blurry river because of the cars going by. I don't know why this is so blurry tonight. Maybe because it rained. I don't know. If you look a little closer, you can see a houseboat going by down there. But I have a motorcycle and a loud truck going by at the same time. Okay, if you can look closer, you might be able to see. Lightning bugs. I know it's not. Wow. Did he turn around and come back? Looks like he did. Oh, okay, if you look a little closer, we also have lightning in the background. We have a loud car with bass music. And we have a loud pickup truck going by. Another loud one. Yeah, right down in there you can see that boat. Another motorbike. Okay, if you can see down the river there, you can see an odd light down there. That's where the fireworks be shot off at down there by the dam. Man, as soon as I turn that on, everybody gets a little louder around here. When I had it off, it was quiet. It was quiet cars going by. And I'm not on the bridge this time because of the people that was on the bridge last time I was over here. All they did, they seemed to slip in words that do. I guess there is a storm nearby. Everybody would say heat lightning. Yeah, that's regular lightning. You know, it seems like last year we had the same situation last year. We did have a storm go by last year too, around the same time. No, it wasn't the same time. Last year was around 8 o'clock. This year was around 5 o'clock. But there is storms and stuff in the area. And if you can hear the music down there, it's mixtape or something like that going on and playing down there. They're playing to 10 o'clock when the fireworks go off. I thought it was 9 o'clock, but now it's 10. did have 6 watching. Now I only have 2. Oh well. It'll be going off here soon. I was hoping the fireworks were slightly earlier. I would have had it already done and heading home. But 9:44 was, yeah, starts at 10. I know I started a little early. This live screen. You can just look around. You can see lightning bugs popping on the screen down below me. As long as if you see any lights below, that's lightning bugs. Except if you see that red light, that's that boat out there. Well, that light is a car going by. Got a pickup truck. But you see the lights up on top. That's the lights on the dike levee. They're brighter on this light than normal. And we have people walking by behind me. So I think I did this the last 4 years, watching the fireworks over here. I think I missed the 1 year. I think the 1 year was 2020. That's the one. Almost everybody missed that year, might as well say. Inside, doing this, doing that. Get a cold. You think you're sicker than a dog. You could pass on because they thought that you had that virus. That was nasty when you had it. I don't recommend anybody getting it. So don't. I'm gonna tell you this. I think I got it after I took a shot. I did get the shot. Next thing I know, I had it. They told me to take one more shot after I got rid of it. So that's the last shot I took, and I haven't had one since. I haven't had that virus since. We have people parking behind me and people screaming in the middle of the river. Okay, we have red lights coming, going the other way, and we have a car coming this way. Yeah, if you see across the river, you might see a blinking light over there. I think there's a person with a flashlight or well, cell phone. Noisy truck going by. So yeah, about 12 to 13 minutes to get here if you want to watch the fireworks tonight. If you're in the vicinity. Yep. I have a lot of cars going by behind me, but we have another boat moving in. They're coming up, they're going underneath the bridge. And if you can see on the other side on that, you might be able to see that dock where they do the music on Saturdays, which is out there. One thing I didn't see, they don't have their dock that they're usually down below in here. Guess the water was high, and they never, people who does that didn't bring it back over. Yeah, you see lightning bugs in there. Ah, right there, you can hear people screaming out in the water. You never know, they might jump in the water. That water is like bathtub right now. Nobody on there now. We have 11 minutes before the fireworks. The music in the background right now, so very quiet. Oh, you can hear the waves. Fireworks be on in about 10 minutes. Oh, they shut the lights off down there where the fireworks were. Fireworks going on. It must be ready to shoot them off. Might do a warning shot here. I'm going to try to keep this still as possible. Somebody had to do a U-turn behind me. You two and spill their wheels. I'm hoping I can get the fireworks in. Don't have a tree in my way. To shoot a warning shot, I can tell you where I'm located. We have natural fireworks going on. They're right down here and around.
Go right down here and around here.
I'm over here. I didn't jump the fence.
Yeah, you jumped the fence.
A lot of the food probably be almost all gone right now.
Where do the fireworks sit on?
Down that way.
Down here, honey. You got your mops?
The only problem is when the car's going by, you had the bright lights in your eyes.
Yeah. Oh, you don't need them on yet. Maxie.
At one time, they used to shoot them off from this side.
What's that?
They used to shoot the fireworks off from this side at one time.
Yep, they do. What, buddy?
But they don't. They're not anymore. They shoot it off by down at the dam.
I'll do that.
Yeah. They used to shoot them off this side.
Gotcha.
Years ago.
Hey, guys, can we sit on that blanket or?
Yeah, I wanted to sit on it because the ground's wet.
I'm not sitting down anywhere. I will have a tough time getting up.
You didn't tell me to bring a towel, or I would have brought towels and another blanket. There's a wall there. I'll go sit with your dad.
You sit on the wall. You sit against the fence or on the fence. I mean, because I was over there last year on the other side, I could see perfectly.
Dad, how do I
Very carefully.
What on this?
There you go. How's that?
I hope I'm not in their way.
No, you're fine. We'll probably leave directly here.
Yeah, right after. Right when it starts. That's. You mean right after it's over? We have 5 minutes. They usually shoot about a warning shot here around 5 minutes. But they don't have much fireworks. They don't usually do the warning shot. And we also have natural fireworks out there, don't we?
Yeah, you would have thrown the river.
Ball? For what?
They throw the ball in the river so he would go jumping in after it.
Wait, I mean, it's going to be down over the bank. I don't know if we make it too
One pass.
It would make it in there because the water's a little up.
Yeah. Must have set them off
From boats?
You can't get any closer. No. Unless you get in the water.
Well, there is a path to get down there, but there's no trespassing.
If you have a boat, you can like...
The main reason no trespassing, people jumping off the bridge.
You want out?
That's why no trespassing. That's why they don't like years ago they used to jump off of bridges. Used to be about 20 feet in the air or higher. It's just you see that metal bridge up there in Flemington? Used to be one going across this.
Look at that. Look at this bridge on the boat.
Well, years before that, there used to be a covered bridge going across this. Cost you a nickel to go across, though. Because they had a tow house. This is called the Veteran Bridge. A lot of people call it the J Street Bridge. All right, the fireworks be going off in 3 minutes. So, if people don't go live, I don't care. Well, 2 minutes before they start, maybe 2.5. The music, it's on the last song down there. Sorry about that.
I brought it to take pictures.
What time is it, Dad?
58.
Yep, 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
The music, you'll hear the music stop first, hopefully.
Do you see that thing with the lights?
Yeah, they're houseboats, pontoon boats.
But it has like green, orange, and red.
Yep. Yeah, their lights is so that other boats know where they're at. But they're pontoon boats. What's out there right now? They're the ones with the big sides. I nickname them houseboats, but they're not really houseboats. Oh, we have a smiling moon.
It is a crescent moon.
Yeah. Yep. Behind you. In 1 minute. $10 My alarm goes off at 10. Yeah, my alarm goes off at 10. Not to wake me up, but to help me get some sleep. That's medicine for my medicine. I forget to take it, so I set a timer. But I don't have it with me. But that's all right. When I get home, I'll take it. The music died. Okay. It's time for the fireworks.
Give them to me. Give them to me.
Yep, there's the bell. I think that's the only that's not where the fireworks goes off at. That's somebody else's fireworks. No, that's not the fireworks.
Wait, is that a random?
Yeah, it's a random person.
The police will probably be over there.
No. There it goes. There goes the fireworks. Weeping Willow.
Who's shooting them?
The city of Lockhaven. Well, city of Lockhaven paid for it. Never got a time when you've probably seen them. The only problem is you're shooting down a cloud right now. A little bit of breeze would help. I had to move it off to the side.
Do you see anything? Ah, Jake's
You see the flare down there? How would you? It's in front of that tree. I thought I would have a good show, but boy, yeah. Not that we need a little bit of breeze, and there's no breeze. Earlier today, it would have been. Sorry about the smoke.
Oh yeah, I remember last year we did that.
They were good.
I have to have music in the background. Come up here so I don't hear music, and then they have to have music. Man, oh man, oh man. Car going by with loud music.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, but I don't think they're as good as that.
I have to have slow connection all the time over here.
Yeah. Jake, what are you doing?
I need
Yeah. Well, I hear people getting back saying they have to pee all the time. Okay, okay.
Stop stepping. Stepping on it.
You can lay your head on his arm.
Or you can spread that blanket out.
This is as good as it gets.
They're laying on it. Look at it when we go back. Get a fair walk back. Get a fair walk back. And you don't need the blanket. Honey, they're laying on the blanket.
No, you guys stay on it. You guys stay on it.
Oh,
Here, I'll hold you.
car accident on Grove Street. Hey, yeah, that's just right over there.
Now it's all wet. Grass. It's all wet. Don't wrap it up.
Sorry about that tree in the way. They have it on. They also have it on Memorial Day, Labor Day. The at the end of Labor Day regatta. That was years ago. They haven't had the beer tent over here for a long time.
Wait, when was that?
Doubt they'll have it over here either for a long time too, because KC is not taking care of the regatta anymore. Usually on Sunday during the regatta, that's when they usually have the fireworks over here. Yeah. It'll be online. You'll be able to show them in the morning. Yeah. The fire department is down there shooting them off. No, not the fire department, but the people who shoot out the fireworks with the fire company. Just needed a little bit more wind out here. Get rid of the smoke from the fireworks. Yeah, you mainly have to shoot them over the water.
Maybe Dave's over there.
Sometimes if they do have them, they might have fireworks at the fair. Last year they didn't have them. The year before they did. But there is fireworks on the 3rd down in Jersey Shore. But or is that the parade? Maybe they're both. No, it ain't the 3rd. It's the last day of the. It's the last day of the town meeting. Saturday of the town meeting. Second Saturday. The parade, the Jersey Shore parade's on the 3rd. watch the cross cutters. They play each other though. Cross cutters usually have fireworks on Saturdays. Every Saturday have a game. That one's behind the smoke. Sorry about the smoke. I'm not. There's not much breeze down here. The smoke's going the whole way through across the river.
Jake, I don't think so. They're doing a big Pittsburgh this year.
Well, as I said, to be up online, you can watch, show them the fireworks in the morning, or whenever you want to. Be up online on Facebook for 30 days. I'm thinking about downloading and uploading it to YouTube. That was, oh, can't hardly see it. It looks like they're shooting a cloud. And moving away from the cars coming by. You can hear the waves of the river. I have a tree in the way, so if you don't mind it. Can't even hardly see that one. Sometimes I wish I could switch the angle. Sometimes I wish they would stop the people from going by. Yeah. grand finale. Okay. Well, that's good. That's fun. That was the grand finale. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, slow connection over here where I'm located, but I hope you guys had a good day. Watching it. Guys, have a good day.